yes, this is one of the newer Let's Plays that I am actually going to start because this is a game that I wanted to check out for a while. Hopefully we can get through it all this month. I'm not so sure if we are, but it will be nice though. It will be nice because this was one game that I was really looking forward to this year because it's the same creator, same co-artist, same creator, whatever you want to call them, of Danganronpa. Now, I'm hoping there's like no kind of like, this is a rated M mature game, so really hopefully I think I should be okay with actually doing this, so we'll try that. But anyways, yeah, so Project Raincode Master Detective Archives Raincode. So finally, this is one of the games during the year, chat, that I want to check out for a while. Again, I love the Danganronpa series, definitely one of my favorites. I'm sorry I didn't really do like any kind of Let's Plays, like the first game, second game, whatever, third. Sorry, I really didn't really do any of those, but we do have the next best thing, which is his processor, or whatever the fuck I want to call it. But anyways, Prodigy, I guess. But anyways, it's next creation, okay? Like it's next child. So Raincode, it's got the same similar feels, except this time it's all mystery-based stuff. And, well, I guess, you know, there is still, like, murder involved as well, but, you know. Anyways, so be sure to rate the video, comment, subscribe, click on the bell, join the squad, boys. So I was going to play this game as well for the reviews, get it started. And if this works out, then, yeah, consider ourselves doing this as our next series. So, here we go. I got all the updates, cool, alright. I also came, oh, by the way, the unboxing kind of, like, fucked up. And I actually accidentally deleted the unboxing. So is this going to be part of an update? Wait, what the fuck? Oh shit. Oh, these must be the publishers. Ooh, very nice. Okay, that's really cool. Whoa. Alright, Unreal Engine. Alright. Very nice. Oh, by the way, I heard there's actually DLC for this game. I heard something about like this game having DLC, but that's not gonna be for a while. Oh yeah, you can tell from the music alone. Oh yeah, you can tell from the music alone. It's definitely Danganronpa, obviously. Options, volume.
This is looking pretty good.
Dialogue subtitles on. English. Well, English, obviously. That should be fine. If it gets a little bit too loud, I can always lower the volume. Oh yeah, and there's something else too. It's not just this game as well. There's going to be yet another game that I actually kind of want to continue on. But this will actually be like my first impressions for now. And see like how far we can actually get into it. Anyways, alright. So, new game. I don't know which... I don't know. I heard the options are like kind of different for like the difficulty and whatnot, chat. So, we'll figure it out. Anyways. Alright, there's gonna be cutscenes, so these might be important cutscenes. I'm gonna shut up and let that talk. It does have close that way, so yeah, I'll let you again. I know, oh, Dragon Quest, fuck, I know that's coming out too. Dragon Quest, I know it's coming out too. I might say this for Halloween. I was thinking of this for like a Halloween sort of deal, which you possibly could.
Oh, look! A human! It's been a while! Anyway, that was a good nap. I nearly slept through the whole thing. Let's see... Alright, there's something I have to do first. Okay, human, listen up. First, I'll have you select your difficulty. Choose wisely. Complain about it later, and I'll boom kill ya. Now then, display the options.
Oh boy. troublesome, adorable.
Oh, you sure about that? Don't say I didn't warn you.
Let's just go with that. Yeah.
You want to know what difficulty that is? The one you selected is how difficult yours truly will be on you. I'll be as difficult with you as you wish, so...
Anything else to investigate? I mean, it's just a mirror, but I just want to see what he says. I can see my reflection in the perfectly polished mirror. I'm still not used to it. Is that really my face? I mean, I guess. I mean, the restroom window looks fixed in place, so it can't be open. I don't see any of the detectives through the window. Well, it's time to move on. Yeah, I couldn't agree more. Porta potty.
Excuse me.
Hello? Anyone here? I guess there's no one here. Wait, whoa. Did my character just like fade out of existence? I mean, again, we are playing on Switch, so of course it's not anything like... Oh my god, look at my like weird... Like, he just disappears a bit, my character. It's like, what the hell is that about? Okay. These I did. I investigated that already. Right, that's the restroom. Alright, so let's continue on. Oh no! I hope I'm not falling asleep here a bit. Oh good lord. How do you go into the menu? Is there a way for the menu? No. Notebook menu? Is it that one? I guess so, right? I guess. Save, yes, you can save. Oh! We don't have any save data here. Oh, wonderful, good. We'll see. If I'm running low on energy, we'll go BRB and we'll probably edit this. Like I said, there is another game too that I do plan on, but this time it's a game that we started. It became extremely cheap. The game got extremely cheaper now, and it's not expensive like it used to be. So that is going to be on my list as well, which I can finally freaking get, which on Amazon, which I'm very happy that it did finally become cheaper, because I kind of did want to finish that. Although I could always wait until like the fall, maybe for like a cozy good like fall kind of game. It doesn't have to be like for spooky month. It could just be for that too. But we'll see, because depending on, you know, because this is one game I want to get. But like I said, I want to do also my first impressions on this game to see exactly, like, because I couldn't get this earlier. I wanted to get this game earlier in my possession, but it was because like Amazon did not have any copies of this game for a damn good while. Like, it was always sold out, and I was able to finally get it. The other game, which is the Bayanothers, the Origins game, which is the storybook one, that one is like it's like close to like 30 bucks, which is not bad. Like, I'm like, $30, I'm like, oh hell yeah, I'm not gonna miss that out. Fuck that, I'm definitely gonna get it, because that was one of the games I kind of also want to finish just to see like how it goes and whatnot. So yeah, and I know that's also going to be, well, I mean, it's not always going to be like chilled, but it is going to be a different kind of atmosphere from like a lot of other games I play. So yeah. Alright. So let's just see. If I'm starting to run a little bit low on energy, then I'll probably see this for tomorrow, but we'll see.
I see a clean-looking bed. This is probably the infirmary. It's locked, but there's no one inside.
Right. Okay, so I'm seeing what kind of game this is gonna be then. Oh wait, no, I think we already did this already. Okay, we already discovered that. Oh wait, no, there was different ones. Okay. Yeah. Oh, main control?
Except...
Oh, yeah. We already did that, yeah. Also, there is two of them. Okay. So there is two of them there. Alright. And that's the infirmary one. We did that already. So there is two here then. That. Next up, we can go that. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I guess we can look around a little bit more, right side. Oh crap. Okay, if I'm running a little low on energy, I might see how this goes. Car a little more longer. Alright. Alright. That's the infirmary, which we've already seen that already. Okay, if I am starting to feel a little bit lower energy, then yeah, I think we'll probably, wait, is this infirmary? Yeah, it's infirmary there. Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna say yeah, my energy's running a little low, then yeah, we'll continue this run tomorrow. Hopefully I don't end up like doing the same thing if I like sleep again, but probably not. Ooh, this is weird. Yeah, if I can't figure out what to do, then the do, oh my god. And then that. Oh, right, it's why. Maybe I'm thinking about saving it. That's what I'm thinking of doing. Yeah, and then basically probably continuing this. Probably maybe like tomorrow. Okay, yeah, alright, yeah, maybe we'll save... oh wait, what's this?
It's a map of the train.
Okay, yeah, alright, maybe I should. Okay, yeah, I am running a little bit of energy. So you know what? I will go BRB and continue this, like maybe tomorrow. I'm back. And I got some energy on me this time, hopefully. Yeah, hopefully so. But anyways, yeah, main control room.
It says main control room B. The door is locked and won't open.
Oh yeah, yeah. I think we did this already, though.
I see a driver's seat in there, but no one's inside. There's a machine, but it's not on.
Oh, maybe not. Maybe.
Driver's seats on both sides of the train. I think that means they can go in either direction.
Oh, okay.
Oh. I kinda sounded like a real detective there.
Also, I think we found it. Oh, shit, lads. I think we found what we were looking for. Alright, and what will this be?
Huh?
Oh, finally.
Someone's there. I heard a voice behind the door.
Oh, well, finally. It's about time we could finally go through that door. Alright, now we figured it out. Alright, lads, we figured it out. Alright. Here's our squad. This must be our squad. Oh, is that wolf ears? What the fuck? It's a furry. Okay. Hey, aren't you from, Okay, you're definitely a reincarnation from Down the Rumble 1. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
Excuse me. Are you with the World Detective Organization? You are, right? You're master detectives, aren't you?
We are. But who are you?
Are those wolf ears or coyotes?
I'm with you. I think I'm also a master detective of the World Detective Organization.
A boy like you? Master detective of the WDO?
It seems like it.
Seems like it?
Like hell, dumbass!
Huh?
It really is
A
Down the Rumble.
runt like you, a master detective? You're just shooting your mouth off. You look like a shriveled anteater.
Anteater?
What's the meaning of this?
You got a lot of nerve posing as a master detective. You wanna die right here, right now?
Wait, please hear me out. Oh, right. I have proof that I'm a master detective.
A letter? From the World Detective Organization? It's real. There's no mistake about it.
What? Are you serious?
Looks like there's a reason behind this. Go ahead and tell us. I'll allow it.
Right, thank you. But there's really not much to explain. And that's what happened.
Amnesia.
Looks that way. I was hoping one of you would know who I am.
Apparently not.
No way. We're on the same team, but no one knows me? Then who am I?
That's what I want to know. Besides, even if the letter is real, you may not be the right recipient.
Why do you suspect me?
There is a reason why. But first, do you know what the World Detective Organization is all about?
A little bit? I think I remember a little. Or not.
Guess not. So you called yourself a member without even knowing.
Yes. Sorry.
Well, I suppose it's a Master Detective's duty to shepherd the lost. Very well, I'll tell you. Maybe you'll regain your memories after hearing what I have to say.
Oh boy.
Thank you.
Purple blood. Alright. Yeah, that's all you can say. That's all you can say, really.
What?
What? Really? Alright, let's see. Yeah.
Oh.
What is this? What is it? Yeah, she definitely reminds me of that one gamer chick from Yeah, from the second Danganronpa game. Yeah. Now I remember.
Listen up. The World Detective Organization is an extra-legal, extra-privileged organization devoted to eradicating the world's unsolved mysteries. Their branches exist throughout the world, and their investigations are handled by master detectives. As of now, there are roughly 1,000 master detectives in the WDO. All have powers specializing in investigative work.
Powers?
They are supernatural powers used in investigation, known as forensic fortes. People who develop talents such as clairvoyance or mind reading. They train at the organization to harness these special powers, which aid in their investigations. Those who manage to gain a forte are recognized as master detectives and given a detective deed. Which means, if you're a master detective, it should say so on your license.
Detective deed?
It's an identification card. Check your pockets.
I don't have one.
If you don't have a detective deed, you ain't one of us. Even if you got one, I'd suspect it's fake anyway.
Oh, hold on! I'm not trying to trick anyone!
Pardon me. He seems to be the only one accused of being an imposter. But how about the rest of you?
If you require he has some sort of proof, then the same would apply to everyone here.
The hell'd you just say?
She's right. Everyone here has just met for the first time. Naturally, we would doubt one another.
Huh? First time? So, you guys don't know each other?
Master detectives rarely meet together. We each travel the world on our own, solving cases. I've never seen so many gathered together for a case like this. We thought all of the summoned members had shown up and were about to start introductions. Then you walked in.
I see.
Well, let's start the introductions. We'll include the tardy one as well.
What? You still want to do introductions? With the imposter too?
It's vital for us to ascertain each of our identities moving forward. All the more reason due to this perplexing circumstance.
Perplexing circumstance? What does he mean by that?
Now, let's begin.
No. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention too. Yeah. I'm actually off tomorrow, actually. I am off next week, which is good for me. Well, actually no. Thursday, kind of, but not as bad. Fridays we can get a little bit more better. I think all the weekends we can get some rain, so that'll be good. At least, all right. So we're gonna try. Let's see. Shit, I think all of them for the most part we have to talk to. Oh, actually, wait, I should
I'll
have
go first. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Zilch Alexander.
Zilch Alexander. All right. Oh, hey yo! Oh, I'm liking this dude's introduction already. Okay. Zilch Alexander. Okay. Like this dude's introduction.
I'm from the Southern Forest Preserve District's detective agency. They call me Nature's Mediator. I love people, nature, and the harmony between them. However, there are times when some would attempt to ruin that harmony. My specialty is in handling those people. Have you heard of the chain of mysterious murders surrounding the dam construction at Souls Lake? Rumor has it that one by one, everyone involved with the dam's construction died, all cursed by a sunken ritual site. It was a once-in-a-century difficult case. The one who solved it was none other than myself. There wasn't much to it. The culprits were locals who wanted the rights to the dam for themselves. The strange part is that all 52 villagers were in on it. They all kept their lips sewn shut to protect the secret. I'll let you figure out what that means. When harmony between man and nature is disrupted, disaster strikes. That is one thing I have learned as a detective.
Nature's mediator. He does look like a good detective. Though he suspected me, he still gave me a fair chance to explain myself. He looks a bit intense, but maybe he's a good person.
I'll describe my forte as well. I'm uncomfortable exposing classified information regarding investigators, but this is an emergency. My forte is animal investigation.
Makes
I
sense.
can control animals as I wish and recruit them for my inquiries. Quite fitting for the philanthropist that I am. Though useful in many ways, I mainly use it to gather intel. It allows me to survey a target while remaining undetected. As a basic rule, I can only control four-legged mammals. Less intelligent animals are easier to control. I often use mice. They're the perfect animals for undercover investigations. Unfortunately, I can't show it off right now, because there aren't any mice on this train.
Not only is he a good detective, but he also has those powers. He really is impressive.
That is all from me. With love, I yield to the next person.
An introduction. Introduce myself. A subjective observation of one's own self-image explained objectively.
Are you okay?
Did I do something that caused you concern?
No, it's just you seem to be having difficulty introducing yourself.
I rarely have a need to do so I was considering what approach to take. After all, is there such a thing as a self in the first place? All I am is a bundle of nervous tissue reacting to external stimuli. If I had to, I guess I'd call myself Poochie Laughman.
Poochie Laughman? Father Poochie? Oh, yeah. No, I think
So, your name is Poochie then?
Names are meaningless. A method of arbitrary labeling for self-recognition. Symbols for categorization. Nothing more. To that end, it serves the same purpose as a detective deed. Or so I, Poochie, believe.
She seems a bit odd.
Most of the World Detective Organization's work is investigating unsolved mysteries. I was trusted with many bureaucratic investigations. My clients are mainly enterprises and politicians. Depending on the client, I use my forte to see if the transaction party is trustworthy.
Oh, wow.
My forte is known as audio aptitude. When I concentrate, I can hear anything from distant whispers, footsteps, and even heartbeats. No one is safe to speak of their secrets when I, Poochie, am around.
Oh, then did you hear anything suspicious at the station? Maybe we can figure out what happened to me.
Unfortunately, unless I focus my efforts on listening, I'm unable to hear things far away.
Oh, I see.
Constantly listening in on all sounds leads to a sensation of my physical boundaries within reality dissolving away. My already tenuous sense of self starts to vanish, which is why I tend to close my ears unless I'm using my powers.
Being blessed with powers sure comes at a price. Did she always act in such a strange way? Or did it develop after she obtained her forte? Regardless, she definitely has a distinct air about her.
That is all I have to say about myself.
Oh, she can transfer like the audio and stuff. What there, so we can get she can get intel with the audio stuff. Record it. Oh.
This part of her seems a bit more normal.
Alright. Well then, ooh, hello, Tall, who are you?
Hey, young man.
Oh boy.
Me?
That's right. Come here. Stand before me.
Oh fuck.
Why? Whoa. Huh? What's going on?
I'm measuring you. Stay still for just a second. I'll be quick.
I need an adult.
Thank you. That was quite educational. That outfit fits you well. My name is Melanie Goldmine. My home is rather far north from
Melanie
here.
Golddigger. Wait, what? Okay.
Up there is a branch with detectives adept at spiritism. I was also active there as a medium.
Okay, I actually do want to try to do this. Yeah, these
A medium?
I can summon the souls of the dead by using my body as a vessel.
Oh, that's crazy.
Summon a soul?
Summon a soul? Holy shit.
Can you summon anyone who has died?
Wait,
Like, for
so
example,
she has the same
the
powers as
victim of a
fucking
crime?
Clan members of like mine. From
Yes, of course.
I know Phoenix, right?
But there is one condition. I require the clothes that person wore while they were still alive. Only by wearing their clothes can I summon their soul. Hence why my powers don't work on people smaller than me, or if the person is far bigger. Overall, the size must match.
So she's like nothing.
Also, I can't abide outfits with no fashion
Oh, that is
sense.
her real body.
Filthy, reeking clothes are always out of the question.
That sounds more like a preference than a condition.
Clothes make a man. They reveal all about one's livelihood. Like skin worn over skin. That's what clothes are all about. Consider that when compared to bare skin, clothing has a greater surface area seen by other people. Therefore, clothes are an expression of a person's identity and originality. You ever think about how you've never heard of ghosts being naked? Ghosts wear clothing because those clothes are a part of their identity.
Now that you mention it...
That's why, despite your amnesia, I can tell the kind of person you are just by looking at the clothes you wear.
Really?
Your uniform is undoubtedly an official one supplied by the WDO. And I found it fits you perfectly after measuring your size. I don't think it could possibly belong to someone else.
Which means I really am a master detective? Am I one or not?
Say that again.
I can't figure it out without my memory coming back to
Say
me.
that again.
That's all I have to say. I'm the medium detective Melanie. Nice to meet you all.
Alright, so let's see who else we're gonna be on this Mary game. Oh, we got two dates. Yeah, two. Let's go.
I'm Aphex Logan. I'm from the detective branch in the eastern slums.
I think it's an Apex. Oh, Apex. Apex Logan. I think it's an Apex Logan. I'm like, whoa. What? The Apex Legends?
They call me a master detective now, but I'm originally a broke, illegal immigrant. When I was a kid, I was in an upstanding home, living an upstanding life. My parents were lawyers who never tolerated injustice. They should have left well enough alone with that local mafioso. Because they went after him, they were murdered. Their necks were cut open, right in front of me.
That's awful.
I ran away to protect myself and jumped on a ship at the port. I didn't know where the ship was going. That was the moment I threw away my past and my home. I drifted to the slums and did everything I could to survive. I managed to survive until now, thanks to luck. With my natural talents, I was able to become a detective. But I also wanted revenge. I can't stand evil. But even if you ain't evil, I'll show no mercy to those who stand in my way. If I can't figure out the difference between the good guys and the baddies, then I just beat up both of them. Kill or be killed is my motto.
He looks scary, but that's not all. I think there's a deep sadness within him.
I can't share details about my forte. Just know it's kinda like radar.
That's all you're going to tell us?
You got a problem with that, you tiny runt?
Not at all.
You sure are a frail-looking kid, aren't you? And pale to boot. Like disaster's got its claws on ya. You sure nothing weird is haunting you?
No way!
A detective's gotta be tough. How about a little training? First, you'll need to get used to stab wounds. We'll start with an ice pick, then scissors, then a fruit knife.
No thanks.
Don't be shy, runt.
No, really, I'm fine.
Too bad.
I am Zange Eraser. I come from a detective agency on the front lines, far from here. Perhaps you expect an introduction, but I have nothing to say. Let the past melt like ice in an evening's drink. That's how I live my life. My forte is thoughtography. I can transcribe images from my memory onto electronics. That's all for me. There's no need for any further explanations.
There's clearly something extraordinary about him.
So this dude's got like advanced fucking cognitive. Hey yo, oh yeah.
Lastly, it's your turn, Yuma. Aside from having amnesia, is there anything else we should know about?
I still can't remember anything.
If you really are a master detective, then you should have some sort of forte.
I have no idea.
Oh, young man, are you sure you don't remember? How about the kind of clothes you usually wear? Or brands you like?
You only inquired about clothing.
Maybe you'll remember after a few punches to the head.
Hold on!
Aphex, stop that. If you knock him out, he won't be able to speak. The perplexing circumstance we face may have something to do with his memories.
That's right, I was wondering about that. What do you mean by perplexing circumstance? Did something happen?
Well, something unexpected has occurred on our trip. The number of people is off.
The number of people?
I, Hoochie, heard from the World Detective Organization that the number of master detectives on the train was... precisely 5.
5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 of us!
I also heard from the WDO that 5 master detectives will gather on board. Hence why when you called yourself a master detective, I was honestly surprised.
I knew this job wouldn't be easy, but there's already a mystery before us. This is getting exciting.
It's obvious what's going on. There's an imposter among us.
Oh my
It's not me.
God, really?
I
Oh
think...
my fucking Jesus Christ.
How about we contact the WDO and find out? It could be a mistake.
Really?
It's no use. I can't reach them. There's no signal here.
Have to fucking throw that reference? I mean, come on.
Who could the uninvited sixth guest be?
It's obvious. I'm the most suspicious. Especially with my amnesia in this situation.
Yeah, you're the one that's sus.
Could I be the imposter?
Good.
And
The
I just
imposter.
can't remember?
You're the
I am the
imposter.
sixth one here.
Alright, we gotta put him in. Oh, put him
All
in the
right,
fucking
I
ship.
got it. Hey, since you're all clueless, I'm gonna tell you my extra sharp deduction.
Oh boy. Wait.
You may speak. I'll allow it.
Why would I need your permission? Whatever. Way I see it, the runt here ain't the imposter.
Huh?
It'd be boring if the most suspicious one is the culprit. The runt must have been attacked by the real culprit. The memory loss is a side effect of the attack.
And the imposter's motive? Why would they attack Yuma?
To pretend to be a master detective and replace the runt on the train. The plan was going smoothly, but the runt suddenly woke up. He got on the train right before it departed, and the results stand before us. Obviously, the imposter miscalculated. The runt's gotta be tougher than he looks.
Oh, that's a surprisingly proper deduction. And I thought you'd be the most useless one here.
Why, thank you.
In other words, I was knocked out at the station because someone attacked me? But I don't think I've been injured.
Excuse me. My deduction is slightly different.
Let's hear it. I'll allow it.
Stop acting like we need to get your permission!
I suspect that the entire situation is a test designed by the World Detective Organization.
A test?
A WDO exam officer has disguised themselves as a member and is ascertaining our skills here.
If that were the case, Yuma here could possibly be the exam officer.
Me? An exam officer?
Bring it on! I don't care if it's the WDO or a hitman. If you want to test me, I'll show you what I got!
What are you trying to do?
For now, I'll check to see if there are other uninvited guests. I wouldn't want any accomplices lurking about.
And how are you going to do that?
Like this! Let's go!
Really, really fucking cool. Some like Persona shit up in this bitch. Like, imagine the graphics were like that on the Switch. Yeah, right.
What? What was that? A weird feeling overcame my whole body.
No signs of the enemy. Turns out there really are just 6 of us on this train right now.
What did you do?
I used my forte, life detection. I can detect life in a 50-meter radius and pinpoint its location. The mechanism is a trade secret, but I can say without a doubt that we're the only ones on this train.
Talk all you want, but who can verify that you're not lying?
We're never gonna get anywhere if you start doubting everything! Use your own damn powers to figure it out then!
I see. So fortes come in handy at a time like this. In that case, there's someone else with the power that can confirm if other passengers are on board.
want me to search again? What's the point of that?
These powers though are really cool.
Sorry.
Okay, compared
I
to
got
the
yelled
normal
at.
characters, they have like these fucking cool ass abilities. I actually like this. Alright. This is a different turn of events I actually like. Interesting, alright. Cool, alright. Okay, now I can actually talk now during this duration. Well, I'm back, so first of all, I don't know if I can like, how do I do that? Okay. Can I save it or it won't let me save? And it'll let me save. Nice, yeah. Definitely a lot of that though. Maybe once we're actually done like with this chapter though, maybe we'll probably like, cause I already did the whole like beginning stuff with the video when I edited it, so there is that, so we'll see what happens. Anywho, so
Melanie, could your powers be used to see if anyone else is on board?
No way. Not unless there's someone dead in one of the cars.
Oh.
But even if they were, their clothing would still need to be a match for me.
Melanie's medium powers won't work here.
So they're like Danganronpa. So they're Danganronpa characters with fucking powers and stuff like that. They have like actual like power. Oh.
Pucci,
So you.
would it be possible for you to verify what Aphex said is true?
Yes. I, Pucci, was contemplating it at the moment. Even if someone is hiding, my audio aptitude is able to detect their breathing and heartbeats. Shall I try?
Yes, please.
Hey, what's with the gloomy little girl? Don't tell me she's motion sick.
Okay, so we were.
She's using her audio aptitude to check if there are other passengers.
Oh, really? That's great. Go for it. It'll prove I'm right.
Shut.
Huh?
Oh.
Shut up, you brain-dead idiots! Pardon me. Would you mind quieting down for a bit? I need to concentrate.
Cutscene. Here we go. Oh shit! What is this? Power of hockey, bro? What the fuck? Oh shit! Oh, I like her bunny thing. That's cute. I do like her. Oh, she can relay that to their hearts. Okay, that's pretty fucking creative. I like that. Oh shit. Okay.
This sensation. I felt it when Aphex used his powers. Somehow, it feels like I can hear what Pucci hears. Does no one else hear it? What's going on?
I finished. I cannot hear the heartbeats of anyone besides the 6 of us here. Though one could hold their breath, they still cannot stop their heart from beating. In other words, there's no one else on this train. I, Pucci, guarantee it.
See? I told you so! Sorry for calling you gloomy earlier, little girl. You know, I'm glad you've confirmed my findings, but aren't our powers kinda the same?
I can hear heartbeats from 500 meters away.
So you're the useless one.
Damn.
Quiet, you catty bitch!
Damn.
Moving on, we've now got proof from 2 master detectives. We can say for sure that there are no other passengers.
Though one may be a lying imposter, the other's statement can still be trusted.
One of them, an imposter? But Aphex and Poochie both use their fortes. I could feel them using their powers, so I think it's safe to say both are master detectives. But I'm the only one who can sense their powers. No one else seems to have the same experience. Why am I the only one?
What's wrong with you, old man? You gone senile or something?
Can you all hear that? The sounds of a running train. The wheels of fate chugging along. In the same way, our fate continues to turn. This train will press on until we reach our destination. No one can get off midway, including the uninvited sixth. Let's discover which of us is the caged bird in here. My fading detective spirit is revitalized once again thanks to this burning mystery. Not bad. Things are getting interesting.
You're joking. What could the imposter even accomplish? We're all master detectives here.
And yet we don't know who the fake one is.
I've used my powers, so obviously I'm the real deal. The gloomy girl detective also passes. She ain't no fake. So, how about the guy blowing smoke, huh? Why don't you go ahead and prove yourself with your forte? How about it, you four-eyed fox detective?
As I have already explained, my power involves animals. Without them, I can't use it.
So, you're fine being considered a suspect then?
You are free to think what you wish.
Unfortunately, I can't prove myself either. Without a dead body, I can't use my powers as a medium.
Now we've got two suspects. How about you, old man?
I don't mind showing off, but it won't clear any suspicions. The sixth uninvited guest could possibly be a traitorous master detective with their own forte.
That's true.
Why do I have a feeling it's the
There's no end to this!
Chat is probably the old guy.
To hell with it! Everybody line up! I'll deck you one by one! Whoever passes out is safe, got it? The real deal! If you don't pass out in one hit, then you gotta be the imposter!
Calm down. Let's do things logically, like the